Hi, Rory Singh here from the PowerhouseMarketer.com. Today I'm going to do a quick review on yet a new investment opportunity called FinanceFXBond.com. Before I get started here with this FinanceFXBond.com review, I just want to let you know up front I'm not an affiliate or network marketer who's trying to sponsor, recruit you, or convince you to invest your hard-earned money just so I can make an affiliate commission. Okay, I'm just doing a quick unbiased review. If you're looking for a legitimate way to make money online, powerful affiliate marketing program. It's not an HYIP platform. It's not one of these magic platforms where they promise like you can make tons of wealth for doing absolutely nothing. It's actually a legitimate affiliate marketing program. If you are ready to roll up your sleeves and learn how to do marketing, etc. Powerful opportunity underneath this video, legitimately set up. Been around for 4 years, going into the 5th year in business, brick and mortar company in the US. Set up with a real founder who's in front of the platform, real people, real company, real stuff, real income potential. I've already seen many people fire their bosses with the system lower below underneath this video in the first link. Okay, let me get into Finance FX Bond. Okay, I was asked to do this review by one of my affiliates. I'm on the main website here. Now, on the website itself, what we're dealing with here is a case of anonymous ownership. These type of deals, these type of websites they seem to be attracting a lot of new people online. I'm thinking there are tons of brand spanking new people coming on the internet every single day, and a lot of people are getting weaned into these ideas. So if you're here right now, you're trying to figure out, is this legitimate? Can you make lots of free money here by just joining this website? And is it legitimately set up to actually give you a return on your investment? Or is it just another Ponzi network marketing scheme? Okay, these are the things we're going to find out together. So let's get into it. So about us, it's always important, just using some common sense to know who you're going to be sending your funds to. I see a lot of talk about Bitcoin and crypto on this website, and then for some reason they have FX up here, giving me the idea of Forex. I don't know if they're a little confused. Is this a crypto website or is this a Forex website? But based on the pictures, it seems to be primarily a crypto investment platform. Okay, so on the website here, if this is a legal financial institution, they're claiming that they're in the US. Okay, there's a lot of inconsistencies. So just bear with me, keep watching the video. What we're going to go over here is some important information that you guys really need to look into. If it's, send your money to strangers overseas and hope that they give you a return. So they're claiming that they're in the US, but they're not saying who they are. And then they're claiming that they're registered with the CFTC. The problem with this idea is they need to register with the SEC. That's the US Securities and Exchange Commission. If they truly were in the US, okay? And if there are affiliate marketers and network marketers promoting the scheme, then they need to register every single place that it's being promoted. If some guy's on YouTube from the US promoting his affiliate links for Finance FX Bond, then they have to register with the SEC. They're claiming to be in the US, right? It says United States. So they need to register. Who's the SEC? If you are planning on becoming a profitable investor, you have to learn what this lingo means. Okay, U.S. Securities, it's a board government in the U.S. that has to give a financial institution permission to give you a passive return. And if they're not set up with the SEC and they claim to be in the United States, then they're not set up legally. Okay, they're not set up with the SEC. They're not even set up with the CFTC as they're claiming here. Let me just mute my phone. Okay. Now let's go back to the home page. There's too many inconsistencies here. I noticed they have a UK incorporation certificate. Okay, what does that mean? Some of you guys probably wonder what that is. Does that mean it's legit? Okay, so they on the About Us link, they're saying that they're in the U.S., but they're not showing any U.S. address. They're not showing an executive team. They're not showing you who the CEO, who the president is. They're not showing any executive council members. They're not showing you any address. Okay. So I'm going to show you some more things that's going to back up my claims here. Okay, meaning that there's too many inconsistencies here. Before I get into that, I want to talk about products. They have network marketers promoting these type of deals. And being as such, FTC issue, which is not an SEC issue, FTC is more Federal Trades Commission and CFTC as well. It doesn't give companies permission to give you a passive return. But since they have network marketers here promoting their affiliate links, they don't have any product line. For it to be legit in the eyes of the FTC, it has to have retailable products. There's no retailable products. There's no products whatsoever. The only thing a network marketer or affiliate marketer can market is to make money in memberships themselves. Compensation plan. So this is the promise here. First one's called mini plan. Minimum investment of $50. ROI $200. 14-day plan. That's the promise. Silver plan. $100 minimum. $400 ROI after 14 days. That's what they're promising you guys. Some of you guys are jumping for joy right now, but jump for joy only if they actually pay you that, right? If they scam you, then you're not going to be jumping for joy. So stick around. We're almost done with this review. Plan C, gold plan. $300 investment, $1,200 return. To me, that's kind of crazy. RIO. I think they did it wrong. They spelled. I'm guessing here. This should say ROI, return on investment. But whoever created this website, most likely they don't speak English. So instead of them put ROI, they were so, antsy to get their website out and to get, the Bitcoin investors into the deal that they, missed a lot of misspelling here. This should be ROI. Okay, ROI, but it's RIO. Okay, so the return that they're promising here, which is crazy, is $1,200 for your $300 investment after 14 days. There's no financial institution, come on, would do stuff like this. $500 investment here for Plan D, promise of $2,000 after 13 days. I myself would be joining this and investing in these deals if they were real. Okay, this one here, $1,000 investment, $4,000 return on investment after 11 days, guys. Imagine if you put in more than that. Look at this one here, $5,000 investment minimum. Return. This is screwing me up here. Should be ROI. Okay, what would be return investment on? I don't know. Should be ROI. Okay, bad English. Promise of $20,000. So after 7 days, these people are claiming that you can quadruple your $5,000 by just giving them your money. And after 7 days, you get $20,000. You could get filthy rich here, guys. Okay, contact us here. Let's look at this here. Somebody asked me to do this review. Guys, I don't know what to say. This is the address here. Okay. I looked it up. 76. Remember at the beginning I showed you that they claimed in the About Us section that they're in the US? Why are they giving a UK address here? Anyways, I followed the address, which doesn't make any sense here. It looks like some old farmhouse here. Hawthorne House. It looks kind of, a relaxing type of area. Maybe there's horses back there. But it sure as heck does not look like any finance company. Does it to you guys? Hawthorne House, 76 Main Road, right? They this address here, Bourne, United Kingdom. I have never even heard of Bourne, but that's the address. I'm thinking fake address. Okay, so too many inconsistencies here. And lastly, let's go back to the homepage. These are the reasons that they claim that you should invest your hard-earned money into the HYIP. FX Bonds is a limited company registered in the UK, providing its investment services to the members all around the world. Someone in Canada someone just donated $1,000 in Canada. Hey, bud. I think you lost your money, bud. Anyways, so, oh my God, they're registered as a limited company in the UK? Just kidding, guys. That's what they're claiming. They have to register with the FCA, Financial Conduct Authority. That's the regulator for offering you guys a passive return, a securities offering. They need to register even if it's crypto, and they're not registered to legally offer securities in the US, in the UK, or anywhere else in the world. They claim that they have a UK incorporation certificate, and they're showing a picture here, which is not clickable, and then they're showing you finance forex bond. You know, I'm just going to give them the benefit of the doubt and say that they registered as an incorporation. But you guys, incorporation certificates are not giving them permission to give you a return on your investment. It's not a securities registration. A UK incorporation certificate is something that I could get myself for like $50, and I live in Canada. I can get one of these. I can just get a fake address in the UK. UK incorporation certificates is just a certificate with a business number on it. It does not give anyone permission to legally offer a passive return, even though the network marketers join in these deals for free, convincing people to get in just so they can earn 5 and 6% measly, teensy-weensy little tiny commissions. They're going to argue and say they don't need to register with the FCA. They don't need to register with the SEC. These are the things that we are dealing with here, guys, online. So I don't recommend this here. Too many red flags, too many inconsistencies. Mark Johnson, no one in their right mind. As you can see, there's so much broken English on the website here. I looked up this gentleman, cannot find any information about this Mark Johnson outside of this website. I'm thinking fake made up. They took some stock image of a Caucasian male with a suit and slapped it on their website. And I'm going to close off with this image here. They just pasted finance forex bond into an empty office background. You can do this with Paint Can. We've got Microsoft Paint, right? You can do that with Microsoft, or if you want to get fancy, you can Photoshop. I'm thinking fake picture stolen off of the internet. Some of these opportunities will even go out there and hire like guys from Fiverr to pretend to be CEO. But I'm just going to guess with what I've seen so far. So many inconsistencies. They claim they're in the U.S. That's the first red flag. But they got a UK address going to this farmhouse here. Second red flag is the CEO. Doesn't seem to exist outside of this website. Most likely stolen image from the internet. Slapped a white guy on the website, claiming to be CEO. Third red flag is this picture. It looks fake, guys. Look at that. I could just remove that, put my name there, Rory Singh, and then pretend that's my office. Okay. Fourth red flag, they're not legally set up to offer you guys a passive ROI, since they're pretending to be in the US and pretending to be in the UK or anywhere else in the world. You need to go look that up. Especially, I seen someone from Canada just donate $1,000 to this website. HYIP platform, it's basically a donation website. Once network marketing recruitment dies down, meaning the network marketers who get people to invest their money so they can earn 5 or 6% little commissions, right? That's where the revenue comes from network marketers convincing newer investors to pay out the older ones. Once the scheme collapses, the anonymous people overseas somewhere will run off with everyone's Bitcoin. Okay, they're asking investment in Bitcoin and referencing US dollars worth of Bitcoin. So that's a great idea. It's a great money maker for the anonymous scheme owners. But for everyone else, it's just another donation website for you to donate your hard-earned money. Look, someone from South Africa just donated $4,000. And some of you guys, look, some of you might be shaking your head. Don't have to listen to me. Please, I want you to go out there and learn by your own experience. It's the best way to learn. Some of you should go and invest here. I'm not endorsing it, right? I think it's a straight up scam, but some people won't believe me. I'm telling you, if you kind of shaking your head here, you don't believe what I'm saying, then it's okay. Go and invest $50, $100, $500, $5,000. Someone invested $1,000. Hey, bud, out of Canada, right? And most likely he's going to get ripped off. But what you need to do is learn by experience. And there's no website that's just created on the internet that you could just join, drop money down, and get rich. It's a beautiful idea. It's a sexy idea. It's, exciting. But people, it looks like a whole bunch of people making lots and lots of money, but in truth, HYIP, high yield investment program, it's just a scam set up for a little while. Don't know for how long it'll be up and running, but once recruitment dies down, scam exit, run off with everyone's money. Some of these deals give you a little app, you upload it to your phone, and they show you you're incurring money after you invest. And some of them try to say like, hey, if you want your ROI, give us another $1,300. One girl, she had credit cards coming to her address, and people from the UK were saying, please withdraw money from your credit card. You should see some of the stories here, guys. And I have information to back all that up too. And they wanted her to take money out of credit cards that were coming to her house. All she was trying to do, she invested $5,000 into a similar deal, never got anything. They said, hey, you need to pay another $1,300, right? To get your, $35,000 BS money, monopoly money out of the deal. Hopefully she didn't pay them, because then it would have been an extra funding deposit for them. And then they started sending credit cards to her house and wanted her to take money out of those cards and send money to a specific address to anonymous people in the UK. Very, very scary stuff. So this concludes my financefxbond.com review. Thank you for watching. If you're still looking for a legitimate way to make money online, and you're not lazy, and you're not a passive investor. Passive investors, you guys got to learn the hard way. I'm not talking to you guys. I'm talking to the people who are ready to actually roll up their sleeves and go to work and actually make money online. If that's you, powerful affiliate marketing program underneath this video. First link in the description. Many people are making a lot of money, and I can prove that to you after you take the first step lower below. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day, guys. I will see you on the next review.